In this question, you have to identify the animal which excretes nitrogenous waste in the form of pellet or paste. Option A, salamandra. It is incorrect. Salamanders are amphibians and they primarily excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of urea, not as pellet or paste. Option B, hippocampus. It is also incorrect. Hippocampus are marine animals and they excrete ammonia directly into the water. Option C, pavo. Pavo refers to peacocks, which are birds, and birds excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid, which is insoluble and is excreted as a semi solid paste or pellet, thus reducing water loss. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, Ornithorhynchus. It is incorrect. Ornithorhynchus, that is the platypus, excretes nitrogenous waste primarily in the form of urea, not in the form of uric acid paste or pellet.